Thanks for choosing Mobily. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the fastest APN settings for Mobily Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. Don't forget to like the video. So let us start up our tutorial. First, let us open our phone in settings, and in our settings, we are going to go and then you look for our search bar. And in the search bar, we're going to type in access point name. Access point names. So choose this one. Choose the access point names in your search bar, and then after open the advanced. Then look for access point names, and this is how we're going to set it. Look for a plus button like this, and then we're going to we're going to put in our name. We're going to put in our name as Mobily. We're going to leave this one, and then internet. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this with your friend. If you get any problem, the comment section is going to be open. So the APN we're going to use internet. Press OK, and then we're going to leave the proxy blank. We're going to put our port to 8080, and then you're going to leave the username blank, the password blank, the server you're going to use https://www.google. The reason why I'm using the Google server it is to provide us with a stable internet access. So we're going to set the APN type. We're going to use default, supl. Press OK, and then that is it. You're going to save, and then after saving, make sure it is active. That is it, and let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Mobily, and I sign out.